1956 Raven Black Thunderbird, a fresh ground up restoration per the data plate specifications, 2 tops, a freshly all rebuilt Thunderbird Special V8 with a 4-barrel, the rebuilt Ford-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission, Ford's Masterguide power steering, Ford Swift Sure power brakes, 4-way power seats, power windows, Thunderbird air conditioning, Thunderbird AM/FM stereo with dual speakers, accepting MP3 and iPhone seek and scan capabilities. You can play music from your own iPhone. Both tops consist of a Porthole hardtop and a new Raven Black Tonneau top. Her odometer is 31,089 miles. 1956 restored wire wheel covers. Concours correct, late 1956 production Burtex trunk mat. Ford Deluxe Champion wide Whitewall tires. New PPG urethane enamel paint throughout. New correct interior with the proper embossments. Accessory backup light system. A local Dallas area Thunderbird not subject to high humidity climates. Fully loaded with every power accessory offered by Ford Motor Company on Thunderbirds in 1956. A really high quality body car. She was a nice little bird before she ever got restored, and I think you're going to love how she drives and handles. A really sweet little fresh black 56 Thunderbird.